Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 announcement. With the Apple September event just around the corner, the anticipation is building up. Let's explore what we can expect from the new iPhone models and why you might want to hold off on buying a new iPhone until these are revealed. Pro models size increase. First up, let's talk about the size changes in the Pro models. The iPhone 16 Pro is rumored to grow from 6.1 inches to 6.3 inches, making it a bit larger and more comfortable for those who prefer a mid-size phone. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to jump from 6.7 inches to a hopping 6.9 inches. This would make it the largest flagship phone in the US, surpassing even the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. These size increases could offer a better viewing experience and more screen real estate for all your needs. New A18 chip. All the new iPhone 16 models are set to feature Apple's latest A18 chip. However, the Pro models will get an extra boost with the A18 Pro chip. This means more power and efficiency, ensuring that your phone runs smoothly and can handle more demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using intensive apps, the new chip will provide a noticeable performance upgrade. New capture button. One of the most exciting new features for the iPhone 16 models is the addition of a dedicated capture button. This button will function like a real camera shutter. Press it halfway to engage autofocus and press it all the way down to take a photo. This new button will make capturing moments quicker and more intuitive. Additionally, swiping your finger over the capture button will allow you to zoom in and out while shooting photos and videos. This feature is expected to be exclusive to the Pro models, adding another layer of functionality for photography enthusiasts. Color change. Apple is also introducing a new color option for the iPhone 16 models. The Desert Titanium color will replace the blue titanium option. Think of it as a blend between bronze and dark gold. This new color will join the existing black, gray, and white options, giving users a fresh and stylish choice for their new device. Camera upgrades. The camera system on the iPhone 16 and Pro Max is set to receive significant upgrades. Both models will feature a 48MP ultra-wide camera, up from the 12MP on the iPhone 15 series. This means sharper and more detailed ultra-wide shots with better performance in low-light conditions. Additionally, the new Tetra Prism zoom lens will offer 5x optical zoom and 25x digital zoom, providing more flexibility and higher quality for zoomed-in photos and videos. These enhancements will make the iPhone 16 Pro models even more powerful tools for photography and videography. Battery and charging. Battery life and charging speeds are also getting a boost. The iPhone 16 is expected to have a 3355 mAh battery, while the Pro Max will feature a 4676 mAh battery. This increase in capacity should provide longer battery life for both models. Moreover, Apple is introducing 40W wired charging and 20W MagSafe charging, a significant upgrade from the previous 27W wired and 15W wireless charging. Faster charging means less time plugged in and more time using your device. Other rumors. There are also several other exciting rumors about the iPhone 16 series. These include a new thermal design to prevent overheating, a new 5G modem for faster connectivity, and Wi-Fi 7 support for improved wireless performance. These upgrades will ensure that the iPhone 16 Pro models stay ahead of the curve in terms of technology and performance. To wrap things up, the upcoming iPhone 16 announcement is shaping up to be one of the most exciting events of the year, with significant upgrades in size, performance, camera capabilities, and battery life. The new iPhone 16 models are set to impress. Stay tuned for more updates and be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and hands-on impressions from the Apple event. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews as we get closer to the release date. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and insights on the iPad Mini 7, the 11th generation iPad, and other exciting tech releases. The next chapter in the iPad story is about to be written, and it promises to offer users a compelling blend of innovation, performance, and affordability.